Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether it is a budget, whether it is getting out of debt, or whether it is saving for a better future. So today I am bringing to you a cash envelope stuffing. This is a new background. Let me know if you like this background. I kind of like it the way that the light is reflecting onto the camera right now. So yeah, I might keep this, but let me know what y'all think right now. I'm going to be real honest with you guys. This is the next week. This is not even the day of payday, but this is like when the next payday is coming. I was really thinking about keeping this until, and then combine the two paychecks like I did the last time, but I was like, you know what, let me just put out this video and let's get it popping. This is gonna be extremely fast only because I'm on break right now. I got a job, so I can announce it because right now this is my first day, so I can say it now. I don't gotta worry about it. But yes, I do have a job, and I know I've been spoiling you guys with weekly cash envelope stuffing that may end. Well, that's gonna end. I'm sorry to tell you, because I got a big girl job. It's semi-monthly, so I'm only gonna be giving you 2 cash envelope stuffing a month. So let me know down below what is other videos that you would like to see, because I have noticed that I talk more about my personal growth, which, you know, I like doing that to help others, but I want to also educate you on different terms, different strategies, and other methods that I don't personally use. So let me know what you are looking forward to see in my videos. So yeah, so we are going to get into it. I personally need to exchange a $5 bill, so let's see if I have singles somewhere. I know I do. Hulu. I remember I have $5 in Hulu. And okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So now that that's exchanged, we have all the right denominations. So I'm on break, and I'm supposed to take, you know, obviously a lunch break, and eat. But hopefully this goes by fast so that I can go and cook my food, breakfast, because I didn't eat breakfast anyways. I hope that I can make some breakfast, because it's gonna be breakfast food because I didn't have breakfast anyways. All right, this is looking good. What? All right, so as you know, the list will be down right here. You guys said you like it, so I'm gonna keep it since it is helpful. You can follow along with what I'm doing, and yeah. So I would have had more money. I'm missing a 50. Am I? No, I don't. Nope, I'm not. Okay, cool. I thought I was going crazy. So, I thought I was missing money. I would have been so sad. So, we're going to start with car, like always. This time, we're only giving car $25. $25 this pay period. Then we are, what's next is, I believe, the next one is, wow, that's the only thing I'm putting away in this envelope. Okay, so The only thing I'm putting away in this wallet is cars. Now on to my oldie but goodie. It's going to be anniversary is getting $10. So that's 2 5s because I went to the ATM. They only give you 50, 20, and 5s. They don't give you 1s or 10s, which is weird. But so anniversary is getting a 10. Then I did giving virtually, which was supposed to be $100. I did that virtually. And Fidel, he got $100 as well, but he decided he wanted to take the money now, take that $100 now, and take the rest later. So you got to give the man what he wants, right? So my birthday, we putting some money in it because my birthday coming, and I need to make sure that I'm having a good time because you only turn. How old am I gonna turn? You only gonna turn 24 one time in your life. Yes, I really had to think about that. Sometimes I feel like I'm older than I am, but I'm really not. So 50, and now it's gonna be 53. So 1, 2, 3. So 53 is what is going in my birthday fund. Gifts and birthdays, I already told you that is electronic. SG Row is getting 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 20. Okay, so I do have a predicament where during this period I had to spend $50 for my teaching certification review, because you have to pay to get that, your license, and they review your account to make sure you hit all the criterias. And with COVID and everything, you still have to pay, which is crazy, but I had to pay $50, and that is gonna come from my birthday. I mean, not birthday, whoa. It's gonna come from my school money. So let's see how much I have. I think I still have 48, if I'm not mistaken. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So $48. I'm going to, typically I would put this into the bank, and you know, because I had money in my account for my savings. But since I do have a emergency fund in cash, I'm just going to put it in here instead of having to put it into the bank account and all of that extra stuff. So we're going to put this and this together and put it into emergency fund. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's $50 that is going into emergency fund. So let's see how much cash we have for emergency fund now. This is the only time I'm going to do this, because as you know, I only count my money at the end when I do a monthly sinking fund update video. But I'll be generous now. So let's see what we have. All right. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So I have $70 in cash for my emergency fund. So now I have to just take a picture for my thumbnail, because I always forget. Alright, so that is all. We are finished with this video. It wasn't that long, so that's great. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what are some videos that you would like to see on my channel, whether it is a business vlog, a Etsy shop vlog, or whether it is tips and tricks on how to create and how to better your Etsy shop. As you know, I do little to no promotions, and my Etsy shop is growing. So just, tips and tricks that way, along with different budgeting tools and different budgeting topics that you would like to hear from me. Yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.